Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for that perfect blowout, but just can't seem to get it right at home? Well, today we have a little secret from Drybar that could change your hair game forever. Let's talk about the Drybar Big Hair Besties Kit. This set is designed to give you that salon-worthy volume and smoothness, all without the need for a professional stylist. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Drybar Big Hair Besties Kit includes everything you need for a top-tier blowout. The kit features a clip to help section your hair, making styling easier and more precise. It's ideal for those with normal hair types, but it's versatile enough for various textures. So what makes this set stand out? The key here is the brand itself. Drybar is renowned for creating products that combine luxury with functionality. The Big Hair Besties Kit includes all the tools you need to start your blowout styling routine with ease. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience of using this kit. From the moment I unboxed it, I could tell the quality was there. The clip is sturdy and holds hair in place without being too tight or uncomfortable. In terms of usability, it was super easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The clip helped me section off my hair quickly, making the blowout process more manageable, especially when I'm in a rush. I tried using it during my usual morning routine, and I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth and controlled my hair looked post-styling. There's a noticeable difference in volume compared to using standard clips or hair tools. It made my blowout more polished, and I noticed less frizz, which is a huge plus for anyone struggling with flyaways. But it wasn't all perfect. The clip does require a bit of practice to ensure it's placed in the right spot for optimal volume, but that's a minor learning curve. In terms of performance, the clip itself does an excellent job of keeping hair sections organized, which makes styling more efficient. However, one downside is that if you have thicker hair, it can be a bit challenging to hold larger sections in place. But for most hair types, this shouldn't be an issue. When considering the value for money, the Drybar Big Hair Besties Kit does fall on the pricier side compared to generic clips. But the performance and overall convenience of this product certainly justify the cost, especially for those who are serious about achieving a professional blowout at home. Drybar products are consistently well-made and offer a high level of performance, which makes them a solid investment if you're aiming for high-quality results. As for alternatives, there are plenty of clips on the market that offer a similar function at a lower price point. However, none quite match the precise design and brand trustworthiness of Drybar. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable blowout experience, you might want to check out options from brands like Conair or Revlon, but you may sacrifice some of the ease of use or volume-enhancing features. The Big Hair Besties Kit is built with high-quality materials, and while it's not a product that will last for decades, you can expect it to hold up well over time, especially if used as intended. As with any beauty tool, take good care of it to ensure longevity. So, does it deliver? Absolutely. If you're looking to elevate your blowout game and get that perfect, full-bodied hair, this kit will help you do just that. But if you're after a budget-friendly option, you may want to explore alternatives. If this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. It helps other beauty lovers find this channel, and your support keeps us making honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the Drybar Big Hair Besties Kit, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Have a favorite blowout tool of your own? Share your thoughts with me. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.